Good morning, boys and girls. So today I decided that we're gonna do some interesting rhymes and songs about birds. Since it's a springtime and birds are singing, there is lots to learn from birds about music. So we're gonna start with a finger play that some of you may know. So first you need to make a wall. Make a wall. And then this is Peter and this is Paul. Here we go. Ready? Two little birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter and one named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Two little birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter. Hello, how are you doing? One named Paul. Hi, I'm well. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Now, if by any chance you have a friend, maybe your sibling or maybe your parent, to do it together, you can do it this way. I'm going to invite Sophie to help me. So I'm going to be Peter and Sophie is going to be Paul. Ready? Here we go. Two little birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter. Hi.
And one named Paul. Hi.
Fly away, Peter.
Fly away, Paul.
Come back, Peter.
Come back, Paul.
Here you go. Try it. See you soon.